Okay, so people don't give YouTubers enough credit because what I thought was going to take me 5 minutes to do just took me way the fuck too much longer to do. So, I've gotten myself motivated to come out to my garage after a hellacious week. And the week's not over yet, that's the best part. So, I'm going to actually continue doing this stuff. I don't know what or how I'm going to go about this. It kind of sucks, to be honest. I got a couple of new toys to play with. I think I'm going to cover this up with a bag. New toolbox, I'm going to use this bad Chad with this bad Chad, or maybe one of these, I don't know yet, to really get this done. A, I'm tired of looking at it. B, it needs to get fucking done. So I'm gonna try and set up maybe record. I don't know. Yeah, it might actually be worthwhile this time. So I'll see you in a few seconds after I figure out what I'm doing. Safety first. Remember, it's about function, not looks. It's about function. It's going to keep me from losing my hearing at 35. If anyone bitches about how much bodywork costs, tell them to go fuck themselves, because this is why it costs so much. I've been at this for what, half an hour, maybe, and I've only gotten this far, and I got a lot to go.
Wait.
Well, I got a little bit further with the this, a wire cup, I guess, and it's coming. It's slow going, but it's coming. It's just a lot of this stuff that looks black, but this is actually bare metal here. Here is still, no, that is bare metal. Here is black paint, but that's all bare metal. That's a little bit of primer there, but I'm getting there, and just, it's a slow process. I tell you, this shit is everywhere. I don't know why. I don't know. It's just a lot of shit, and I have a lot of shit to do yet. My hand's cramping up pretty bad. I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. I'm covered in shit, and I need to take a shower so my lovely wife doesn't have stinky bedspread.
Fiance!
So, I think we're gonna call it. Thanks for watching. Have fun doing what you're doing. Whatever it is that you do. That's not becoming an outro, by the way. I'm just tired. Alright. Take it easy.
On the Facebook?